We have discovered that the Milky Way, the galaxy we live in, experienced many mergers with smaller objects a long time ago throughout its lifetime. The biggest one that happened 10 billion years ago, long before the Sun had been born.
One of the structures that we found was the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. So this is a galaxy that's currently being swallowed by the Milky Way, leaving a huge trail of stars behind it that completely envelops our galaxy. And we've also been finding similar structures around the nearby galaxies that inhabit our local group. The galaxy that we worked on in particular is called the Andromeda galaxy. And there again, we saw this, the accumulation of smaller galaxies being swallowed up by the larger galaxy. What this tells us is that the galaxies form in a hierarchical way.
This is important for our future attempts to understand the emergence of structure, emergence of first stars, of life, of first galaxies in the early universe. We will be able to reconstruct the evolution of the Milky Way and rewind back time much better now. We will also be able to understand the dark matter by mapping the dark matter distribution in our own Milky Way in unprecedented detail. And we now know that the dark matter halos of galaxies like our own are much more complex than we previously thought. So we have prepared ourselves for this quest in the future.